Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another recipe video of what I'm going to make my brother for lunch today. I know it's been a while since I uploaded anything. It's because he has been on his fall break. It hit me like an earthquake. Honestly, I didn't even see it coming. I should probably update my calendar. But yeah, so on day, I don't know if it was 32 or 33, but it was like last week Monday. Yeah, it was last week Monday. I didn't make anything for him, but he did went to school. I got him some Chic Fil A, and also he had Chic Fil A on Monday, on Tuesday, and then Wednesday he had a half day at school, so he didn't really. I think it was on Tuesday that I did the Chic Fil A. Yeah, it was on Tuesday I did Chic Fil A for him, and Chic Fil A is like a chicken sandwich, like breakfast type thing. But also I got him the breakfast stuff, and on Wednesday was a half day, so he didn't really need any lunch. So I didn't make anything, and after that, that was his fall break. He's been on break since since that time. And today is Tuesday, so I'm back to the kitchen. Gosh, I could show you how I look right now, but like that is so unnecessary. Anyways, back to the dish. Today I will be making something super quick and easy. Just potato gravy, potatoes and some gravy with pork. Yes, I know I eat a lot of pork. I don't care. Okay. You can substitute pork for chicken if you like, but that's why I go to the grocery store early to get the discount stuff, okay? Anyways, yeah, so the recipe today is just some sweet peppers for the gravy, sweet pepper, some onion, green onions. These just look very questionable, but trust me, it's gonna do the trick, okay? And I'm gonna put the pork also in the gravy, and then the sweet potato and the regular potato, I'm just gonna boil them together, and then I'll put the gravy on top of it. It's super fast and super easy, and it's delicious. I mean, look at this, like, oh, that's so cute. Isn't that so cute? Yeah, because this has been here for quite a bit now. I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay, let's get started. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys, this is how I chopped it up. This is not a mashed potatoes recipe, okay? It is potatoes African style. Yeah, African, because West African, we don't do mashed potatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna boil this. I'm gonna put some salt in the water while it's boiling, and do the sauce quickly. Okay, so this is the third take of this video because I keep getting interrupted. This is what I'm going to put in the gravy. So gnocchi mushroom, onions, sweet pepper, green onions, some pork, and also some fresh tomatoes. That's what I'm gonna put in the sauce. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the reason why I have this fork is because of this. The potatoes are pretty much done. See? That's how you want it to be. Not want it to be super soft. No. Okay, and now I'm gonna remove the water and just let it sit down while I make the sauce quickly. Oh, I been recording this. I thought I was recording this whole time. Apparently, I was not. I just been talking to myself. Yeah. Okay. So I cooked the pork first, and I just put in all the ingredients that, you know, the one that I showed you guys earlier. And I added some MSG, black pepper, salt, and some crushed red peppers. And I'm gonna put that a little bit. And I put some minced garlic. I also added garlic powder. And yeah, see, it's almost ready. Did not take super long. Honestly, for me, it was making like a little Asian, like a little gas. Because I love my Asian bacon. So, I'm gonna add a bit of soup for Japanese sake. There we go. And yeah. There we go. This is I added the Japanese sake, some a bit of the sweet sauce. Yeah, even though the cherry tomatoes give it that sweetness, but it didn't stand out as much. So that's pretty much how it's gonna be. And I'm gonna lay it on top of the potatoes. Yeah. Okay, I just came back from school. I'm just gonna show you guys whether he finished the lunch today or not. It is empty and top of the main one. Wow, he actually ate all of it. It was a lot. I mean, like, it was like filled to the brim. That's good. At least he's eating his vegetables. That's all that matters, really. But yeah, if you want to see what he took to school, or if you want to see the lunch that I packed, you can go ahead and check out the reel on my channel. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.